So just taking another class, that is management and communications. So yesterday, Nisha, good afternoon to you. Okay. So coming to of data communication and networking, just let us rewind ourselves once, just rev up and then go ahead. Okay. So what are things we saw yesterday? हम लोगों ने क्या क्या देखा? Broadband, yes, good. Misha has told me active. Okay, okay, yes, baseband, broadband, yes. All this we came up to that point. We studied something about the data, saw the different components of data communication, and then we saw the effectiveness, and then the protocol, and then the bandwidth. Then we came base broadband, of course, the encoding techniques. All this we saw yesterday.
Please transfer host to me, sir. Sagar is it.
Sagar, okay.
Host to transfer.
So yesterday we have come up to this point. I think mostly we have come up to this. So after discussing about the baseband, all that, the computer networks, they are used basically for sharing of hardware, software, ये सारा चीज के लिए use the computer network. So you see, just हम लोग yesterday came to this point. Just we wanted to discuss about the different types of network cables. So after seeing that band, so normally for a voice channel, 3 hertz to kilohertz, and the bit rate, if we take as the bit rate, then it comes to around 33 kbps. So network cables and the network should be copper pair. Just I am giving the different types of channels used and the bandwidth and the bit rates compared. Yeah, comparative statement. Just you can see that the copper cable bandwidth, you see the bit rate 1 to 6 Mbps is the bit rate. And for the coaxial cable, the frequency is 500 megahertz. The bandwidth is 500 megahertz, and the channels can be 6 megahertz channels, and the bit rate is 30 Mbps per channel, 30 Mbps or 32 Mbps. And the gigahertz radio, that is a 300 megahertz. हाँ जी, वॉइस लो है.
हाँ सर, आज सबसे थोड़ा रुक रुक के हो जाता है. भाई तो सबसे बढ़िया आपका आता है.
वॉइस लो आ रहा है क्या? सागर,
हाँ अभी जो एकदम
सागर इज वॉइस लो.
सर इट्स ओके
सर, आपका आवाज कट जाता है.
कट जा रहा है. ओके
थोड़ा जोर से.
ओके ओके राइट. Otherwise, I will have to try some other mic also. Okay. Anyway, let me continue.
अभी ठीक है सर.
Because it's fluctuating. I don't know why, but it keeps on fluctuating. हम लोगों का bandwidth change हो रहा है कि क्या पता नहीं. See, we are planning to go for full optic fiber bandwidth. Till such time, this problem because the class is also something related to that, about this network cabling and all that, and upgradation of networks, and then what we're having are still not up to the mark actually. I mean to say not modern. Still the railways itself is going for a full upgradation, and different में upgrade होना बाकी है, particularly the network cables and all that. Still at some places even people still they are using the telephone cables also, है ना? The DSL, AD model and all that सारा use हो रहा है ना आपके railways में भी तो. So all these things they need to be done away with, and we need to upgrade ourselves to full fiber grade network actually. Fiber grade network full the yeah. तब तक this bandwidth problems and only audio, we cannot see video. Online class है and I am not able to project myself. मेरा video भी on नहीं है. These things because we are still accustomed to living with lower bandwidths still and high lower bit rates also. So once we get tuned to higher bits and band requirements and start really enjoying the benefits of the video. अभी जितना आता है you see ना all video calls are available, but still people prefer only audio. Wants to space. I don't know since last 5 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया 5 साल या even around 8 to 10 years the facilities are there even in mobile phones for calls, apps and all this. So but still people don't use video. Particularly in India we are quite shy. We are a very conservative society where we don't use video. We are very satisfied with audio itself. So that's how it is. So धीरे धीरे changes आएगा, है ना? Even our online classes will also be better. Having a full video streaming sort of live streaming. Already अभी just I was in another class. अभी मैं just दूसरा बैच के साथ एक safety course का वो चल रहा. उस people they have already in this accident site communications and all that. They are having full live video streamings. Live video streaming they are already having using VSAT and all. So similarly for the online classes also in future when we have full video streaming and live streaming, then we will be having better class, better and video. Till such time you will have to bear with us only. Okay. हम लोगों के साथ आपको ऐसे ही रहना होगा. So that is what I was saying that अलग-अलग channels रहता है, but this you see the last one, the optical fiber, it is having the capacity to carry many terahertz. Coaching classes are having bandwidth. BNG are having. Yes, coaching classes are having. Yes, outside coaching classes. You mean to say? Yes, you are right. Many coaching classes, because they are all private and they will have to keep themselves. What do you say? With all the latest technologies, so they will be having better bandwidth and fiber they are using. Yes, you are right. So the optical fiber they have the capacity carry bandwidth up to even many, not only just gigahertz. He's saying many terahertz also, terahertz and bitrate GBPS. Okay, it's start the 1 Gbps above. But we don't have full fiber networks still. Or even part fiber networks also we are not having. Although we were the leaders in optic cable. Actually, हम जब आया था तो ऑप्टिक फाइबर केबल में रेलवेज वाज रनिंग इन पैरेलल ना. रेलवे का जो ऑप्टिक फाइबर केबल वेरी अर्ली ईयर्स में आया था, जब बीएसएनएल का आया था उस हम लोग भी आया रेलवे का. और अभी जो है जैसे नेटवर्क्स में वी आर स्लाइटली बिहाइंड, particularly the telecom side, mobile and also this advanced telecom. We are with the GSMR, mobile communication and this data networking and all this. We are slightly, I agree that we are not that advanced. Railways, not at par with others also. But I also agree with you. So what are the different types of wires and cables used for LAN wiring and all the network? See the different category, Cat 5, Cat 6. Nowadays they are talking about Cat 7 and also Cat 8 cables, है ना? सारा आ रहा है. उसमें जो है the mainly the distance to which can be used, this wire can be used. That is the table here it's showing. So and as you go longer, जैसे ज़्यादा distance तक उसको ले जाते हैं, तो automatically उसका जो rate जो है कम हो जाता है. The bit rate comes down actually. So that is what is the table representing here. तो जैसे कैट 5 के केबल अगर 100 फीट तक है तो 1 गीगाहर्ट्ज़ है, बट इफ इट गोस 300 automatically the bandwidth gets reduced to 100 Mbps. So like that it is shown here. Even this other cables, Mocha, not using HPNA3 home plug. Some other types are also given, but these are not popular in railways. Similarly, for the wireless part, our IEEE standards, IEEE standards are followed, in which is 802.11, that can carry up to this 1 gigabit if it is just 10 feet quite nearby, and if it is more than if it is about 100 feet, then again it goes to 100 Mbps, or 300 feet and above it will come down. We see that most of the service providers also, they may be promising a higher bit rate, higher bandwidth, but actually आपका जो है सब्सक्राइबर का नो पहुंचते कम हो जाता है. So it's always better to test your speed available at your point also. Local point में आपका कितना स्पीड है, आप नेट में हैं, you are attending online class, कीप चेक. अभी कल मैं ही चेक कर रहा था, मेरा तो अराउंड 45 Mbps 50 Mbps मिल रहा है मेरा डाउनलोड स्पीड एंड ऑल्सो अपलोड स्पीड ऑल्सो ना. सो इट्स बेटर ईच एंड एवरी देयर डाउनलोड एंड अपलोड स्पीड्स इन द नेटवर्क. आप लोग भी कल चेक कर लीजिए, आप भी चेक कर सकते हैं ना. यू आर हैविंग एप्स फॉर दैट ऑल्सो ना, ऐप भी है टू चेक योर का चेक करने के लिए. So that's what actually this wires, another different types of media. This coaxial wire, you have this thin wire, thick wire, I say UTP fiber and all this.
सर
तो उसमें here I have given in this slide. हाँ जी बोलिए
सर, हम लोग कैसे करेंगे सर, कैसे करेंगे?
स्पीड के लिए, स्पीड चेक करने के लिए एप्स है ना, देयर आर सर्टेन एप्स टू चेक द स्पीड. ऐप का नाम क्या है, जस्ट आई विल टेल यू.
ओकला
नेम ऑफ द, जी
ओकला ऐप, ओकला OOKLA, ओकला ऐप करके.
हाँ, Ookla app and so many apps are there. Other apps are also there. Here, check कर क्या था, having some apps. Sagar, what is the app? That the app, what is the name of the app? Speed test is also there, ना? Just download speed test करके एक app आता है. Speed just download that app from Google Play Store. Google Play Store में जाके स्पीड टेस्ट करके उसको टेस्ट कर लीजिए, तो आपका वाईफाई स्पीड कितना है आपका ऑफिस में पता चल जाएगा.
वो तो अपना
और
बताएगा ना सर, ये बीसी
लैपटॉप लगाएंगे, लैपटॉप में भी, हाँ जी, लैपटॉप और पीसी में भी डाउनलोड होता है आजकल. तो एप्स जो है ना, द एप्स एंड पीसीस आर
वो
आल्सो
तो जो अपना
कंपैटिबल.
लोकल नेटवर्क उसका बताता, बीसी का नहीं बताता ना.
मोबाइल का बताता है. आपका केबल में भी आई थिंक स्पीड टेस्ट होगा. मोस्टली स्पीड टेस्ट आई थिंक इट्स अवेलेबल ऑन वेब ऑल्सो. यू जस्ट गूगल में टाइप कर दीजिए ना, यू जस्ट टाइप में फॉर स्पीड टेस्ट ऑफ माई, उसमें आ जाता है, गूगल में आ जाता है.
जो हमारी लाइन ट्रेनिंग हो रही है उसकी बैंडविड्थ कैसे पता चले, इसकी बात कर रहा हूँ.
उसका नहीं, आपके एंड में कितना बैंडविड्थ है उसका वो तो ट्रेनिंग में हो रहा है, उसका कैसे मिलेगा आपको? नहीं, आपका एंड में जो कितना बैंडविड्थ चल रहा है आप चेक कर सकते हैं.
कोई अलग से होगा ना कोई.
हाँ जी, you can just test my internet speed, Ookla and so many things are there. आप उसमें जस्ट डाउनलोड, बिकॉज आजकल जो है सब कंपैटिबल भी हो रहा है ना, पीसी एंड लैपटॉप एंड मोबाइल एप्स आर आल्सो गेटिंग कंपैटिबल है ना. वेब एप्स आते हैं, वी कैन यूज द वेब पेजेस ऑन मोबाइल में वेब पेजेस यूज कर सकते हैं. मोबाइल एप्स आते हैं जिस आर कंपैटिबल ओनली फॉर मोबाइल ना. ऐसा अलग अलग टाइप के आ रहे हैं ना, सो मेनी टाइप्स. Don't need also to measure. Now, of course, you have meters and all that, but okay, these are the different types of media. And if you see the interference part, then UTP is also it's likely to have interference, isn't it? So UTP का वही एक negative point है. That's why we have STP, है ना, shielded twisted pair use. When you use this shielded twisted pair, then it takes care of this interference part. Otherwise, this coaxial wires, thin wire and thick wire, they are all better. There won't be much interference. EMF, magnetic interference, all these things, electrostatic interferences, and all these things will be very less in coaxial cable and also fiber. Fiber में तो almost होता ही नहीं है. That's why it's shown as nil, not nil, है ना, nil. And cost wise, if you see, then fiber becomes a bit expensive because the end equipments are costly. Otherwise, overall it will be cheap, but cheapest L1 वाला जो है UTP केबल है, UTP Cat 5 Cat 6A जो है cheapest है. So these are the different and the distance limits. The data can be carried over Ethernet. You just go through them. So if you see, most of the methodology is baseband, except for that 10 broad 36 broadband 10 Mbps. Okay, that is. So this is how it is. There are 4 pairs. 4 pairs are used. As I said yesterday, this unshielded twisted pair UTP cable, it is having 4, and the different speeds also have been given in this slide. Okay. Why you're saying speed test should be avoided? It puts burden on network. Is it so? Excessive speed test means what? Barbar? Okay, maybe. Okay. So different of Cat 5, it can cater up to the speed of 100 Mbps. It's okay. Cat 6, जैसे जैसे मतलब better versions आ रहा है, the speed is going on increasing. Can go to 1 Gbps. Distance limit also has been given, I think, in the next slide. So the new versions, Cat 7 is capable up to 10 Gbps and Cat 8 up to 40 Gbps. So the speeds are going on increasing. The bandwidth requirements are also growing day by day, actually. So the Cat 6, it will have an outlet and you can see. So this is how it has evolved, actually. In the 1990, we came with this Cat 3 type of cabling, which was having about 10 Mbps. Okay. Internet is 10 base T. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about the TX, LX, CX, EX, and all that. Okay. So in this slide, what I want to out how it evolved actually over the years from 1990 onwards. This has been in use, and over the years now we have this. We have gone up to Cat 8 tak again. We are somewhere at Cat 8 high. We are going for the higher speeds. And in future, we will be having this SG type of cable, some standard grade or something like that, where it will have it's like mono fiber, multi-mode fiber, or single mode fiber. The last 2010 onwards, it's all fiber. 2010 onwards, fiber also grow actually. दोनों parallelly चल रहा है. The cat and the fiber both are running parallel actually, even now also. So basically it's a shielded twisted pair. There will be jahan jo particularly this RE likely to have effect of railway electrification, electromagnetic interference, and all. Go for shielded twisted pair cables. It's also quite similar to UTP, and it is also having 4 pairs. So characteristics of is almost बाद में भी same है, except that this is having capacity to handle higher speeds and longer distances, slightly longer distances than this Cat 5 and Cat 6, Cat 7. सारा जो है same है, only except the capacity has been enhanced. So the value at megahertz and 100 megahertz, different parameters if you test there, like the attenuation, the next जो बोलते हैं ना near end crosstalk, resistance, channel impedance, capacitance, some of the figures. I don't know whether we are testing these things on labs or not.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, please.
What is this near end crosstalk?
Near end crosstalk, we have studied, we have it in cables also, near end crosstalk and far end crosstalk. Because, acha, why we are using twisted pair? Well, UTP means unshielded twisted pair, na? Isn't it?
Crosstalk दूर कर
Yes, yes.
to avoid distortion and crosstalk, sir.
Is it not? Crosstalk avoid करने के लिए, yes, you are right. Arvind is right. So to prevent interference, is crosstalk or interference, जो data cables when they run in, you say many cables when they run together, it's likely that they create crosstalk and that will lead to generation of digital distortion. Digital distortion. Digital maybe interference होगा. Interference will lead. So this sort of crosstalk. So two types actually. Near end यानी आपके यहाँ जो होता है वो far end means at the other end कितना cross that to the end, the crosstalk that will be generated by the UTP cable. That is what near end यानी आपके यहाँ जो होता है वही. So 160 dB per kilometer and 100 kilometer higher frequency of 100 megahertz. What is given actually? It has been designed for that actually. Okay. So when you come here, I think you will have the facility to measure these things also. I think we are doing it. Sagar is class. He's not there. Okay. Anyway, Sagar is there. He person dealing with the things. Sagar, are you available? So next you have 1 week class, 1 labs also. When you come for face-to-face classes, you ask these things actually. This near and crosstalk. If possible, try to measure that also. Lab, network lab for the Cat6. Maybe we are also having Cat5 here, Cat5, Cat6 cables. So connections, we have this straight, crossed and also sometimes reverse बोला जाता है. 3 टाइप के connections होते हैं ना, either straight connection, then crossed connection and reverse connection. कब कहाँ करना है, कैसा cable use करना है, that is what is shown in this drawing actually. When the connectivity is between hub to switch, then it is a crossed connection. It is a crossed connection has to be used. And otherwise, if it is from a different device like switch to PC and all that, same device used cross. Yes, you are right. Device cross. And if it is a different device, then we go for straight cable. So these are the different TIA, CIA 360 AY. Okay, for both this standards. Okay. What is the color code for followed for all the 8 pairs? 4 pairs. 4 pairs. You can just go to this is for the cross straight. Okay, the color codes followed, and the connectors. Yeah, RJ45 connector, jack. First one is the jack, then socket, and the pin numbers are like this. 1 to 8. So this is what we were seeing that network classification, the baseband, broadband type. तो हम लोग देखें उसके बाद on connection method we have wired networks and the wireless networks. Wired networks we have the twisted pair, coaxial cable, optical fiber, and in the wireless networks we have the satellite links, wireless आता है Wi-Fi, WiMAX, and wireless personal area networks. PAN networks means personal area networks. यानी आपका पर्सनल एरिया में रहेगा, छोटा सा एक रूम में सबमिट ओनली है ना. So that is all Bluetooth. Bluetooth is comes under PAN. Whereas Wi-Fi, WiMAX, all this is a wireless LAN. And for the WAN, that satellite links. Okay. You see the difference between the wired and wireless. ये दोनों के बीच में compare करके देखेंगे कौन सा बेहतर है, wired broadband और one. So the wired one is having special advantages. Of course, the wireless has some other advantages, but wired broadband, if you see, it is and foremost thing that comes is Wired is better. Yes, you are done. You're right. Arvind Kumar is saying wired is right. Wired is better. He is right actually. Because go for speeds, security purpose also, and we can connect multiple devices and gadgets. Okay, and the download speeds also can be the same. We can balance the upload and download speeds and a load balancing. That's what is they are calling it. Load balancing, upload, download speeds without any glitches. Okay. This uninterrupted video streaming and all this. And nowadays we are having all smart devices. है ना लोगों को पता नहीं पर the devices have become smarter, isn't it? The mobiles have become smarter, the laptops smart, and TVs also have become smart. And this casting has also come, cast smart TVs and all this. Okay, they will be having this webcast, video, और क्या क्या cast आता है, this webinars and all that. I don't know, so many different types. I don't know the different types of casts and all that actually, but there are different types of smart, so many. Yes, intelligent TVs. That's what is smart TV. Smart TV is so intelligent that you can just call the channel. आप जस्ट उसका नाम लीजिए और वो चैनल खोल देता है ना, वो चैनल प्ले करने लगता है, एंड इट इज हैविंग वीडियो ऑन डिमांड आल्सो. यू मे हैव मिस्ड योर सीरियल, फेवरेट सीरियल, कोई सीरियल या 7 बजे शाम को आता है, अगर आप देख नहीं पाते तो कोई बात नहीं है, तो आप जब घर पहुंचेंगे 8 बजे, 8:30 बजे या 9 बजे, अपने समय पे आप उसका सीरियल का नाम वो चला प्ले करेगा, है ना. So all such smart TVs which are having video on demand and all these features have also come, so that you will not miss your favorite channel. So the wireless broadband, it has having the greatest advantage that आपको एक जगह रहने का जरूरत नहीं, you can be on the move, है ना, या चलते चलते यूज कर सकते हैं. अगर आप में आ रहे हैं, means if you are not driving, of course, if you are coming in your car or if you are coming, then you can use it on the move also. Of course, the speed is wired one, and it is useful for the new people who are using, because they may not be using many more apps simultaneously. ऐसे आजकल तो the generation apps ना, इतना apps और इतना applications open रखता है अपना लैपटॉप और टीवी, अपना लैपटॉप और मोबाइल में, sometimes it gets hanged also ना, वो खुद लैपटॉप भी हैंडल नहीं करते, सारे खोल के रखते हैं. So of course, it's not good to open so many apps and so many applications on your PC, laptop, and such things. But the new people, they are so capable. I mean, people, particularly the young generation, is capable of handling so many applications simultaneously. हमको तो अगर एक दो एप्लीकेशन खुला है तो तीसरा खोलने के लिए डर लगता है, भूल जाए क्या सोचे थे फिर बाद में क्या सोच रहे हैं करके. So but the younger generation, they are so capable of handling some easily 10-15 applications and 10-15 pages, and they keep on just control plus something, they just use that button, and then they keep on swapping between the apps also. They keep on swapping between the apps. So I think wireless is not useful. They have to go for, because they are younger, they will have to. Yes. No, but there are people who are using more than 10 applications simultaneously. I don't know how they use. उनका दिमाग और ऐसा हो गया है कि I have seen some people, they keep at least 10 applications open on their laptop and 10 applications on their mobile, and still they are comfortable. I don't feel comfortable, but very difficult for me. But other young people, I am seeing that they are able to simply some control plus X or some button, they will just keep on shifting and then keep on from application to other application. Such a ऑलमोस्ट वो लाइट जितना स्पीड पे काम कर रहा है, ऑप्टिकल फाइबर केबल उसके साथ चैलेंज कर रहे हैं ये लोग. एटलीस्ट आई एम नॉट दैट फार, मैं कंपैटिबल नहीं हो पा रहा है, बट स्टिल इट्स ओके. सो व्हाट आई मीन टू से दैट फॉर देम एक्चुअली वायर्ड ब्रॉडबैंड इज ओनली रिक्वायर्ड, वायरलेस नहीं चलेगा. यस, दैट is daughter is 1 year old and she can use it. Yes, that's what actually she can use mobile. That's what Umisha, actually I was reading somewhere that the new generation is actually taking new abilities also, new capabilities, inborn abilities, they say. Actually, we used to read about the inborn abilities, but we were not that means conversant. The new generation, particularly the generation after 2010 and all that, they are saying that they are born with some abilities which we that pre 2010 जो 2000 पहले और 2010 के बाद जो new children, they are having special abilities. There is no doubt in that. They are born with special abilities. So simply that's what, yes, 10 steps ahead. Yes, you are right. They are quite ahead actually, because they have been gifted by nature actually, because they are suitable or compatible rather with the new 21st century and all that. But I think, of course, that gap will come. So that's what I just wanted to say, that 4G rollout and all that also in India is about 50 Mbps, but still it is practically in wireless we get only 5 to 10 Mbps. And वो भी जो है कई बार जो the users are more and all that, the distribution is not proper. The 5 home may be coming, but still we get something around 2 Mbps also sometimes. So that is what, sometimes it gets deteriorated. Otherwise, 30 to 40 Mbps is the normal. Promise 50 Mbps, but 50 Mbps तक तो आता ही है mobile में भी. So there is a lot of bandwidth gap. Yesterday, as we were discussing, telling it's because ये bandwidth gap क्यों आया between fiber and copper? Because of the carriers, है ना? इसमें जो है fiber में है, because photons, whereas in copper it's all the electrons for data transmission, while fiber uses photons, and light is definitely much faster than electrical pulses. Electrical pulses से बहुत ज़्यादा speed है light का. So the fiber can transmit more bits of data per second and offer higher bandwidth. That is what it is. Okay. And said fiber links, they provide 1,000 times as much bandwidth as copper and can travel more than 100 times well. So light का speed पे चलता है और क्या ना, just 31% slower देते हैं. So around 70% of the speed of light we get. That's why instantly we get anywhere from the world. WhatsApp India, USA से या कहीं से, from other part of the world, and the next moment it is there on your mobile WhatsApp, है ना? Instant हो जाता है fiber, and the huge internet is there, but because it has been feasible because of fiber optics. So copper actually it loses 90%. That's what is being said. When you compare between the speed of electrons and the speed of photons, when we transmit data using copper cables, 94% loses over the same distance. So this voice is getting low. Arvind Kumar is saying voice is getting low. सबका low हो रहा है, सिर्फ मैं, सबके लिए हो रहा है कि सिर्फ मेरा ही हो रहा है? Only for Arvind Kumar.
अभी सर हुआ, पहले सही था सर.
नहीं, अभी आपका सर आवाज अच्छा मिल रहा है.
पहले से थोड़ा
अच्छा, नहीं वो कभी-कभी यहाँ वहाँ होता रहता है, पता नहीं वो. Anyway, वैसे माइक तो मेरे पास, it's very quite near only. I cannot do anything more than that.
कभी-कभी सर काफी लो हो जाती है सर.
क्या सर, एक दो वर्ड सर म्यूट हो जा रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है.
Anyway, we are trying for better headsets for all also. Headsets वगैरह अच्छा headset. So then, I think we will be having better voice, but till such time. So if you see that Ethernet में we have this fast Ethernet. So used in LANs, in this fast Ethernet, that is the speed up to 100 Mbps, and gigabit Ethernet up to 1000 Mbps. So it's multiple strands of copper wire and are twisted together with 4 twisted pair wires per cable, and 2 of the pairs are used to send data and the 2 to receive data. तो हो गया, तो why do you need 4 pairs? This UTP is having 4 pairs, na? Yeah,
Yeah.
two trans, two receive actually. That's why. Yeah. Otherwise, if it would have been only one trans, one receive, then two pairs would have been enough. We have plus one twisted pair में to ensure that crosstalk नहीं होगा. One is actually we are using two pairs for trans and two pairs for pairs and data. Two pairs to receive data. That's why it's four pair. Otherwise, only two pair would have been enough, but we use four pairs for that only. Cables are synonymous with the speed and all this. Okay, long distances and pure glass is used. All these things we can skip. Okay, then LEDs are used in multi-mode fiber cables, and other is in this laser single mode fiber cables. Use laser single mode. Multi-mode में जो है LEDs are used, and they are used short distances, and this is mono mode. They are used for longer distances, and data transfer rates also, of course, 10 Mbps say 10 Gbps and above also, actually even more than 10 Gbps, not Mbps, 10 Gbps and above also they are compatible. Then interference, we have just seen that EMI, this Ethernet cables, they are vulnerable for EMI, and also for this electromagnetic leakage and interference. So because of that, we provide that shield. इसलिए वो PoE also is used. Yes, you are right. PoE for one pair. Yes, at some places. Now actually Ethernet cables, they are coming with PoE. Power. Ethernet, so one pair is used for power also. Yes, you are right. Otherwise, they were either spare or only used for ensuring that this to eliminate this crosstalk and all that only designed pair here. But now you are right that the PoE, the power is used, power over Ethernet, for one pair is used for that. So this is the main advantage for fiber, as we have studied earlier also in other subjects also we keep studying that interference almost zero हो जाता है ना, interference is almost zero because the light transmission media. Okay. एंड पर्टिकुलरली अगर हाई वोल्टेज लोकेशंस है या बिल्डिंग्स है जहाँ पे लाइटनिंग स्ट्राइक्स वगैरह होने का संभावना ज़्यादा रहता है, तो इट्स सेफ टू हैव गो optic cables. So even for datacom also it's better to go for optic cables, optic fiber cables. Again, somebody was saying about the security aspect. The security aspect also, actually the Ethernet cables have a disadvantage. Ethernet copper cable is having a disadvantage, and it's vulnerable to intercept. So sometimes we are using Ethernet switches and all that to improve the security. Okay. But comparatively, they are secure because it's very difficult to read light. Light को read करना मुश्किल है. Otherwise, to tap the electric pulses becomes easier. But to tap the light and again reconvert it becomes a bit difficult. That's why we are comparatively safer and secure actually. Of course, speed part we have already dealt it. Sometimes actually these Ethernet cables are also becoming capable of handling higher speeds. That is the reason they are still able to survive market. Otherwise, पहले वो सब खत्म हो गया रहता था. But luckily we are getting optic fiber cables, or I mean this Ethernet cables also handle higher speeds. So even they are saying that Cat 6, Cat 7, Cat 8 वगैरह they वो भी develop होते आ रहा है. Of course for short distance, not long distance. They are also coming to the market up to Gbps. That's what he's saying. That's why they are there in the market still. With all those disadvantages, of course, with all those disadvantages. Saying that optic fiber cables, maximum as of now, it can go up to even terabytes also, terabits per second. Okay, TBPS. इवन BPS तक भी यूज कर सकता है. उतना डेवलपमेंट हो गया ऑप्टिक फाइबर में, जबकि कॉपर में जो है समथिंग अराउंड Gbps तक आ गया कॉपर ऑल्सो. एंड अनदर थिंग इज फायर. All voltage used by Ethernet cable is usually insufficient to cause a fire. There is always electricity present in Ethernet cables. So Ethernet cables में शॉर्ट सर्किट होने का और फायर होने का संभावना रहता है. So that's why the optic fiber cable is non-flammable and safer to use because it does not use electricity. Which one? LAN cable you mean to say? LAN cable वही है 100 meters maximum. Arvind Kumar is asked. Short distance means LAN is always this LAN cables, Ethernet cables up to 100 meters or some feet only. Maximum is 100 meters. Otherwise, it's always in feet. Meter depends actually. जैसे जैसे ज़्यादा लंबाई होगा 100 मीटर तक जाते जाते उसका स्पीड कम हो जाता है copper cables का. The main advantage of fiber cables is they can travel distances also far, very far off distances. And the capacity and bandwidth less wires can be bundled. 22 gauge copper cable रहता है वो. And Cat6a cable can relay 600 megahertz over 100 meters, but multimode optic fiber cable can carry 1000 megahertz over the distance. So this is again advantage of fiber cable over this. And we were talking about this connectivity, Ethernet connectivity. So direct connection between routers and hubs, router to hub and all that. Okay, host computer to switch like that. And crossover cables, when the same type of equipment are there. Reverse in what we say, it is between the console actually. And a console, a host to the console, or the serial communication, the root switch. That is what is okay type of connection. So again, if we distinguish the networks based on the functional architecture, then we have के basis में देखते हैं तो we have this server host based network where we have dumb terminals, then client server and peer-to-peer. ये तीन classification है. जैसे हम लोगों का PRS में वगैरह यूज होता है ना dumb terminals. That is all host based network है ना. उसमें host रहता है, कहाँ पे रहता है host? It's made the main server. Main server पे direct host. It's hosted on the server. Dumb terminal cannot do anything. It's just dumb. Whereas a client, it some to store there, just as we have this thin client in PA, UTS and all that. Okay. Then of course peer-to-peer networks, they are directly connected. They both are having abilities peer-to-peer. And based on physical scope, we have this LAN, WAN, PAN, and all these things you have been seeing. That's Metropolitan network, different wireless LAN and SAN, CAN. So both से हैं different. Basically based on the physical scope, how it is connected, all these things are. So LAN single में होगा and backbones के साथ multiple buildings को connect करना है, then it is something like this. Okay. Then the publicity networks, then wide networks all across the world है ना. तो जैसे हम लोगों का इंटरनेट यूज करते हैं हम लोग. So again on the topology also, based on the topology classification, we have this bus star ring mesh tree. No, it's not mesh, please, it's the wrong spelling is the wrong mistake. The MESH actually, okay, mesh tree. Then we have this inverted mesh, all these topologies. Okay. So bus means just see the straight connector रहता है, cable end to end, and there's a drop line and the clients are connected. Okay, so the ring topology means the clients are connected in a ring. Hub topology, you can just see the drawings. You all know all these things. So basically, if you see the concepts, network architecture, protocol architecture. So based on architecture, the layered this thing OSI layers and all that we will be seeing. Okay, how this protocol architecture, protocol layer, caption, abstractions. So you can see this. So why do we need a protocol architecture and protocol? We have protocols, rules that. Why do we need an architecture? You're able to see this notes also, speaker notes. आप लोग देख पा रहे हैं स्क्रीन में? Yes, okay, right. Okay, right, good. So there's nothing to be kept hidden as speaker notes or anything. That's what I mean to say is that when computer terminal or data processing devices, they exchange data. So procedures can be quite complex, है ना? आजी
पूरी स्क्रीन
छोटा
कर
दिख रहा है, दिख रहा है?
पूरी स्क्रीन कर दी
Yeah, yes, you can just go through it. That actually I'm not able to keep it on the slide, but it is a part of the speaker notes in the PPT. तो उसमें protocol किसके लिए है? Why do we need protocol architecture means जैसे डाटा प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइसेस वगैरह जो है, जब डाटा एक्सचेंज करना है तो उनके प्रोसीजर बहुत होते हैं, तो उसके लिए वी हैव टू फॉलो अ सर्टेन आर्किटेक्चर फॉर दैट. ओके, that's why we have this protocol architecture. Similarly, this standards and protocols used to represent an interaction modes, है ना, उनको कैसे कैसे interact करता है within a network and to make certain functions generally available. ये सब चीज जो define करने के लिए we need things. Protocols usually come in groups and work well together and constitute protocol suites. Protocol suite या protocol stacks करके मिलता है. Okay. So come to the layers. So why this layered architecture? You might have already heard of it and studied. I don't know. OSI layer architecture आप लोग सब पढ़े हैं? OSI, TCP, IP layer this call. Yes, na? You are all saying yes. Yes, okay. So can we skip that actually? Because we are having, I think, less hours anyway. We'll cover that also. We'll go through the protocol, OSI model and all. So basically, why do we need is whenever you want to design a network, it has to be, network is very complex. So to simplify the network design for data delivery and connection management, we need this protocol layers. And encapsulation क्या है? So encapsulation is method of designing modular communication protocol. Logically separate functions in the network are abstracted from their underlying structures. ना कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन को या तो इंक्लूड करके या कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन को हाइड करके, है ना, दैट इज व्हाट इज एनकैप्सुलेशन है. वो कैप्सूल जैसा बनाना है उसको, है ना, हायर लेवल ऑब्जेक्ट्स में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन को इंक्लूड करके या कुछ स्ट्रक्चर्स को इंक्लूड करके या नहीं तो हाइड करके उसको calls are made more modular, and the method used for this is called encapsulation. And when we come to abstractions, a 7-layer OSI model. And when we come to network abstractions, yes. So how do you change the configurations? How to change the configurations? Configuration अगर change करना है तो या तो physically केबल को मूव करना होगा या devices को मूव करना होगा. So instead of changing physically APST and DP, yes, you are right. Actual application layer to a physical layer. That is what is the 7-layer OS. We'll go fast actually. Some of the people may not be knowing. We are having some more hours, I think. We'll just see and try to go a bit faster. So basically, the configuration को किए बिना logically, if you can do it, then that is what is called abstraction. Okay, network abstraction breaks the physical relationships and gives this virtual routes and devices देके network flexibility को enhance करने के लिए किया जाता है. That's why this network abstractions comes into picture. So we'll be seeing the layer picture. There are very good videos also, you go through them. Basically, the organizations, different organizations are there, international organizations like ISO, They set the standards actually, whether it's for OSI layer or like CCITT, ITUT, ANSI, ये सारा जो है different organizations है which define the standards in communication networks. Similarly, you have this IEEE standards. You are all well aware of this, so I am just trying to skip fast actually. And ISO is International Standards Organization, whereas you are all international standard organizations. Why do you need all these international standard organizations and need to follow these instructions? Particularly in networking, we have to. What is this DSP? Data link layer. या क्या है ये? Anil Kumar, can you explain? Yes, Anil Kumar. Yeah.
सर
हाँ हाँ.
डी मीन्स डाटा ट्रांसफर करता है, एस मीन्स सेगमेंट और पी से जो है
Segmented.
पैकेट और एफ मीन्स फ्रेम एंड बी बिट.
Frame or byte. Yes. Okay, okay, right, right. Well, good. You're having good knowledge about networks. आप network में काम करते हैं? You're working in networks or?
नहीं सर, मैं डाटा लगर में.
अच्छा, data layer में. Yes, right. Good. Good, good. So each layer is having data. Okay, that we will see actually. So different organizations I was talking about. So why do we need to follow this international organization standards and all this? See, कई सारे international. Particularly when you come to this field of data communication and networking, so we have to follow all these standards because it's internet, na? Global. Oh, it's all global. So you cannot afford to have a separate standard. So आपको you will get isolated, just like standardization between all countries. Exactly, that is the reason. So we have to follow the way. Otherwise, आप isolate हो जाएंगे. I don't know. China may be not following. I don't know. I'm not sure, but China also may be following some of the standards at least. Otherwise, they cannot communicate with the world. है ना? आप जिस language बात करते को समझ में आता है. अब now if I start speaking in Telugu or some other language, naturally others will not understand. In a similar way, we have to follow all these organizations, international standard organizations, which have formed for the years, and every organization has got its own uniqueness of standards for certain types of things. That's just I wanted to point out. We can go through all these things. It's all more of general information only. Okay. So some maintain this FDDA standards, then ITUT, the more that which is related. And then if you come to this IEEE, they are basically for this LAN cabling and all this IEEE standards. Okay. Then EIA, TIA, they also do this of this LAN only, RS-232 cables and EIA, TIA. Okay. And IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission. Okay. They in government agency, they devise this data processing standards and JPEG वगैरह जो आता है, JPG and all this, है ना? That they are dealing with this, particularly more related with the data processing related to video part of it. Then ISOC, IETF, Internet Society and Internet Engineering Task Force, they define different protocols, yes, SNMP protocols, TCP/IP, ये सारा जो है, they are defining. Okay. So that is the purpose, and that's why this has existence. So ISO has defined this. It's an open system. The name itself shows the open system interconnect, open system model. Then why do we need this? One important question which I was asking also, because, and you have given also some of your replies. We will be on the same page. You will be on the page. Yes. So it's a way of thinking about how networks work. That's what is the OSI model. It's not a technology, it's not even a protocol, but it is model actually, not a program, it's not a software, it's just a model actually. इस तरीके से काम करने से the proper what do you say, network architecture is the model given for that, for the network communication into different layers, layered architecture. That's why it is called layered architecture. How model works and all that is not specified. But how layers should talk to each other, है ना? एक लेयर दूसरे के लेयर के साथ कैसे बात करना है, उसका प्रोटोकॉल सब डिफाइन रहता है उसमें OSI मॉडल में, and ensures that it will be invisible to the layer above it and below it. That insulation, or what do you say, isolation, is also ensured in this OSI model architecture. It defines how information can be transported over a network, and also how software should interact with the network. All these things, they are taken care in the OSI model. So again, why we should learn OSI model, all that, you can just go through it. It's a very important question. Just as Umisha has told, that we need to have be on the same page. Similarly, the web browsers, how they work, how to understand working of web browsers and all that. So for having uniformity, we follow all these people. They follow this OSI model. It helps us to
Sir,
understand AR. Time for lunch break.
सर excuse me, sir.
minute है ना? Yes, बोलिए.
Sir, OSI model helps us to understand why we need ARP.
Understand?
ARP.
Yes. ARP is
OS
the address resolution protocol. MAC address वगैरह ये सब जो one or the other actually. Okay. A lot of information is available on in the textbooks, on YouTube, on net, wiki pages. You will have to be more modern and use latest. Otherwise, it's very difficult to explain. आपको खुद होके भी, particularly those who are a bit aged above 40 and 50, they will have to struggle a bit in this subject. It's a bit difficult to pick up the subject. Anyway, I'm trying to explain because मैं खुद भी I'm also struggling to learn. Okay, there's nothing wrong in that. Any of us have pointed out that we have lunch break. So let us break for lunch. Join by, time is 2:30, na? We'll join back by 14:30. And 14:30 hours, na? Yes. Okay. Right. See you. Right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Back at 14:30. Bye.
कहाँ हो? आज क्या जाना? क्या जाना तू? हाँ खाया हमारा? ये खाया? हैं? आज कौन से जा रहा है?